Hello everybody, welcome to my crowded kitchen. Today another recipe for keto friendly stuff. It's gonna be a variation of bulletproof coffee, but it's not gonna be coffee, it's going to be a bulletproof cocoa drink, hot cocoa. And yeah, that's an alternative for a coffee. Some people doesn't like coffee, some people doesn't drink coffee because of caffeine, some people just don't drink it. Sometimes it's not the time to drink coffee, especially before sleep, or sometimes children would like to have something like that, So the thing is, it's going about the fat, it's going about the taste, and it's going about how to avoid not necessarily the proteins, milk proteins. So, let's make a cocoa. What we need? We need a cocoa powder with 0 carbs, which is very important. And I'll start to prepare it. So, let's say 2 spoons of cocoa powder. Just tiny bit of hot water, just to mix it nicely. To make it come kind of paste, to avoid to have dry clumps. I don't know, yeah, we've got a nice paste inside. We pour the water. I know, milk, but that's gonna be delicious anyway. So last time when I was doing preparing bulletproof coffee, I used the blender, the handheld blender. Today I'm gonna use the NutriBullet, or that kind of liquidizer. You're always very careful with the pouring of hot stuff. We'll use it later. Next thing is vanilla extract. Please find a vanilla extract with no carbs, no sugars. I try to find it in the supermarkets, but there's always something with the sugars. This one is both on internet. You just make a research, just tiny bit to improve the taste, and that's the ghee. So I prepare the ghee on my own. Just 2 spoons of ghee. It's a clarified, or I would even say purified butter. 2 generous spoons of that. The ghee has got a nice flavor, nice smell, like a caramel. Come on. The spoon needs to be spoon of coconut oil, children like cocoa drinks, and we have to prepare it just to protect them. And the third thing is to make it smooth and nice and very tasty is a tiny bit like 2 tablespoons of double cream. So it's ready to be mixed now. Let's try. Smells gorgeous. It has got a smooth texture. It's very, it's lovely. It's a very good alternative for a bulletproof coffee, which I love, but this one is fantastic too. So I recommend it. You can give it to your children, you can drink it on your own. Yeah, that's it. Like, share and subscribe, please. And see you next time.